Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be going over how to deploy agents in Safetica NXT. Now, I just signed up for a free trial today, and we can see up on the top here, I have 10 days remaining in my trial. And during this period, I would like to deploy some endpoints and understand what is going on. Now, I have signed in with my virtual machine here, and I will be deploying these agents onto, or rather an agent, onto this virtual machine. Now, what you need to do is go over here to this button, the Download Safetica, and we can see there's an option for Windows as well as Mac. Now, I am running Windows 10 on this machine, so I do want to download Safetica for Windows. Simply just click on the download button and the download will begin. And we can see that looks like that was already done. Of course, asking me if I want to continue, which I do. And let's just go through this, the configuration. And that should be that. All right, perfect. So we can see now I have deployed and we see it is preparing for installation. It is as simple as that. All that you need to do again is just go to that download Safetica, download the MSI package, which we can see is the security installer MSI, and it can be deployed straight to the machine. Now, of course, you can also use something such as Active Directory or many other solutions to push out the MSI package to other machines. But in this instance, just wanting to show how this works when deploying onto, let's say, just your laptop or your desktop or your work machine that you would be working with on a daily basis. It is just as simple as that. And we can see it was saying preparing for installation. So again, let's be patient and give it some time and let it do its thing. And now that we go to our main dashboard, we can see that we do have one endpoint here, although it is saying endpoint with issues. That is just because it is installing. But we can see this page changed from how it was being displayed earlier. And if you wish, you can start, of course, to set up some policies, for example, if you wish. And also we can see here that this is currently turned off, so nothing will happen. Of course, to enact it, you just click on this simple toggle here. And also, if you would like to start to do something when it comes to the sensitive data categories, of course, this can be configured and turned on or off as well. Now, let's just have a look. Okay, no issues now. We can see that nothing is showing up here, and we can see it is installing. All right, perfect. Now we can see that the machine is showing that it is waiting for restart, and that will happen whenever you do deploy any agents to any new machines. You do need to reboot those machines. So let's just do that quickly now with the virtual machine. I'll just go down here and simply restart it. Everything is running as intended so far, which is very good. And to double check everything, let's just open up Firefox again and go into Safetica. Okay, we are back into the Safetica NXT environment after rebooting the machine. Let's have a look on the endpoint, and perfect. We can see now that this endpoint is active. That is all that is needed when you are deploying and installing Safetica NXT to any endpoints. Again, it's as simple as going to the download Safetica, download that MSI package. Once the MSI package is ready, then you can either install it on your local machine if that is what you are looking to do, or you can also push out the MSI packages package to other machines if you wish to do so via whichever method you wish to use. But this endpoint is now active and we can begin putting on some sensitive data categories, or rather, we already have these pre-configured, but rather to make some policies in relation to those sensitive data categories to then start protecting data. And we can revisit that next time on our next video. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, hopefully we'll see each other next time. Thank you and have a good one.